Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Anna Vanila Arts. I'm Anna Vanila and today I have prepared for you this example of stitch, which is very simple. It's very suitable even for beginners, for those that start knitting. This is fantastic way of doing something new, some sort of repetition in knitting. This would just help you develop the knitting in your life. And as you can see, the front side is the same as on the wrong side. As you can see, is the same, absolutely the same. So I've got 18 stitches on my needles. Needles are size 5, acrylic yarn in this beautiful violet color tone, and I would advise you, before you start knitting this stitch, for you to start off by casting the way you usually do, and casting on, and then the first row and the second row to also knit it with knit stitches, with front stitches on the right side and on the wrong side, and only then you start off doing this pattern, and then the edge would be straight and nice, as you can see it here. It does not bend, it does not misshapen. So let's begin. It's very easy to do this stitch and it's very simple. So the first loop we never ever knit, and the last loop we always knit it with a purl stitch. So first loop we do not knit, we do yarn over, hold it with a finger, then we knit the 2 loops together with a front stitch. Yarn over, 2 loops, we knit with a front stitch. Yarn over, 2 loops together with a front stitch. Yarn over, 2 loops together with a front stitch, and that's how you knit until the end of this row. This stitch is very simple to make, it's very quick to knit. You don't need to memorize a lot in here. You do this stitch you can do but whilst watching TV, for instance. It's not something you should count really or think too much about it. So we've finished the first row. As you already know, this is it has 2 steps, this stitch. And the second row we knit absolutely the same, so we do not knit the first loop, we do yarn over, and then we knit 2 loops with a knit stitch, front stitch, yarn over, 2 loops together with a front stitch, yarn over, 2 loops together with a front stitch, yarn over, 2 loops together with a front stitch, and we repeat it until the end of this row, until the end of any other row in this pattern. So it's very easy, as you can see. It's very quick to do. Especially if you use bigger needles, this would be even quicker project. You can do a lot of knitting with this stitch with this pattern. It's nice for doing scarves. As you can see, this would be, because it's double-sided, is the same on the front and on the back, could be used as a hat, as a scarf. And as you can see, it's fantastic. It stretches a lot, it keeps its shape, it's airy, it's quite nice. I love it. I hope you love it too. Please tag me, please show me if you've done something creative with this pattern, if you found something useful to make with it. I'll be more than happy to see your artworks. And thank you very much for watching and subscribing and liking my videos. And see you soon in my next videos where I show something new. Thank you very much for watching. I'm Anna Vanila and I wish you luck in your projects. Bye!